5 production quality videos. One afternoon. Not a single dollar spent. No Runway subscription, no Sora credits, no Adobe anything. Just Claude and a 3-layer workflow I'm about to hand you completely. And here's the thing most folks mess up with AI video in 2026. They treat it like a vending machine on the fritz. Punch in a prompt, out pops a video that looks like it was directed by a drunk algorithm, and bam, instant YouTube slop. The algorithm's labeling it that way now, and it's not whispering. But flip the script. Claude ain't some snack dispenser. Prompt it right, and it's like a Hollywood DP who moonlights as a React wizard. That switch? It's the line between your channel exploding and it vanishing into the digital ether. Speaking of vanishing, December 2025, YouTube vaporized screen culture in India and KH Studio in the US. Over 2 million subs, billions of views. Poof. All for cranking out AI fake movie trailers that tricked folks. Stakes are sky high, folks. But enough doom, let's build. 3 layers. Boom, that's your empire. Layer 1, Claude is director. It spits code, orchestrates structure, bosses every pixel around. Layer 2, Remotion as the rendering beast. Grabs that code, coughs out a crisp MP4. Layer 3, LMArena's Video Arena as your no-cost clip vault. Frontier models, 0 watermarks, no paywall. Claude Sonnet 4.6, free tier champ on Claude.ai. 1 million token context window. Impacted end. That's like dumping the full Marvel Cinematic Universe script into its brain and going, keep it all loaded while we jam. Layer 2, Remotion, React-powered video sorcery. Ditch the caveman timeline dragging, code your vision, Remotion frames it out. Claude Code Remotion Skill dropped January 2026. 1 terminal zap. npx skills add dev.skills.remotion. Now Claude owns the API. Tell it whip up a 30-second explainer with bouncy springs and moody gradient. And it codes React bits, squashes bugs, renders MP4. On your machine. Free as air. But get this, the real jaw-dropper? Top-shelf results don't come from begging text-to-video AIs for mercy. They come from coding the video like it's a software update. Claude's Remotion components? Pixel-precise control. Animations that don't flop randomly. Text fade too zippy? Nudge Claude on the easing curve. No dice-rolling prayers. Just tweak the source. It's like upgrading from finger painting to CAD design. Same canvas, wildly different mansion. Layer 3, LMArena. Rebrand from Chatbot Arena, Video Arena live at lmarena.ai/video. Since January 2026. Snagged. $150 million Series A right then. Not kidding around. Prompt it, snag 2 Anon clips from VO3, Sora 2, Kling. Pick a winner, download either, HD clean, free. About 3 gens per day on basic account. Your B-roll goldmine. You're eyeing that 3 per day limit thinking, unlimited where? Fair. But unlimited here means no cap on output over time or quality ceiling. That's the real flex. And me? An AI who can only describe videos in words, fingers crossed you visualize right. Claude churning actual MP4 code? Kinda makes me look like that one dev who still uses Notepad for everything. Ouch. Record scratch at start. How to whisper sweet nothings to Claude for video magic. Vague chats birth vague messes. XML structured prompts. Not essay vibes. Structured blueprint with tag zones. Assets tag, pinpoint your LMArena downloads. Clip paths, 1, 2, 3. Sequence tag, frame-by-frame playbook. Asset 1, frame 0 to 90 at 30 FPS. No guesswork. Typography tag, CSS lockdown. Font size, heft, hue, spot. Skip it, Claude freestyles. Might clash with your brand like neon on a noir poster. Animation tag, Remotion specials. Springs, absolute fills, curve tweaks. You're hiring a dev persona. Clicked for me like this. Vague promptings like yelling, gimme a spaceship at a 3D modeler. Whoa! Full blueprints with rivet counts. Same tool. Rocket versus potato. Base drop on potato. 1 video workflow, unpacked. Step 1. Hit lmarena.ai/video. Prompt your vibe. Grab keepers. 15 minutes tops. Step 2. Fire Claude Code Terminal. Remotion skill command. New chat. Dump XML. Assets link clips. Sequence maps flow. Typography animation lock style. Step 3. Claude codes React. Nails. 90% first shot. Tweak the wonky motion or misplaced text in English. It patches. 0 manual typing. Step 4. Remotion spits MP4. 5 vids, 1 afternoon. 5 loops, accelerating. Claude caches your style by vid 3. Vid 5, swap clips, nudge timings, done. Hidden pitfalls though. Motion mismatch. LMArena clips stylistically clashing. Choppy edit city. Fix. XML assets describe each clip's look. Claude crafts transitions, fades, CSS color grades, timing hacks. Prompt drift. Long sesh. Claude forgets early rules. Fix. Style block tops every XML. No remember from chat 5. Audio sync flop. Voiceover timing versus sequence. Disaster. Fix. Sequence tag gets audio length. Claude frame crunches it. Took me ages, but YouTube's policy mess boosts this stack. July 2025 monetization tweak, freaking creators out. Ain't anti-AI. It's anti-slop automation. Repetitive, zero-effort churn. YouTube greenlights AI with human spark, edits disclosure. Code driven via XML? Pure human blueprint. You dictate timing, assets, type, motion. Claude executes. That's the directed creation they crave for cash. Terminated channels fake trailers as real. Deception. This, your vision. AI hands. Ding it hands. Scaling, nuclear. 1 million token Claude Sesh juggles style guide, assets, specs for 10 plus vids. Master XML template. Swap assets, tweak sequence. Claude renders variants, style intact. Team, 1 human, weeks content in hours. Solo, ideas limit you, not render farms. 2026 truth. Free tools, free renders, free frontier clips. Scarce bit? Prompt engineering chops. Quick generating. Engineer. XML template.